Video 2, Part C. The following video will explain how to fill in the online application form for individuals applying for scholarships or bursaries. Please ensure that you have already watched our Getting Ready video to understand how to fill in Parts A and B of the online application. Please indicate the name of the institution in which you are enrolled or that you will be attending. Describe the level of study that fits your program. This can include an undergraduate or master's degree, a college diploma, training, or certification. Please indicate the anticipated start and end date of your program, course, or certification. Press Save and then Next. Part D. If you will be living on your own, such as in a university or college residence, and without parents or relatives, please indicate so by selecting On Own. The following section asks for a breakdown of your estimated monthly income and expenses while participating in your program. For full explanations of each section of the monthly income and expenses, you can consult the individual budget explanation link. Clicking on this link will bring you to another page that will describe the various sections of the budget. If a section of the budget does not apply to you, please enter in 0. As you fill in the chart, you will see that the total of your monthly income and expenses are calculated automatically and displayed at the bottom of the chart. To calculate your total living expenses in one school year, input the amount that has been calculated for your total monthly expenses and the total number of the months you will be attending your program in one school year. For example, if your total living expenses has been calculated to $2,000 a month, and you will be attending your education program for 8 months, your total living expenses for one school year will be $16,000. Enter the total tuition fees and the estimated dollar amount you will spend on school supplies, books, and equipment in one school year. Once the budget charts are completed, press Save and then Next. Upload of supporting documents. One of the last steps of completing your application is to upload electronic copies of the required supporting documents. As mentioned, you must include confirmation of your Indigenous heritage. First Nation and Métis must provide a copy of their valid status card. Make sure to include both sides of your card. Those applying for scholarships or bursaries must submit their letter of acceptance from their institution and a tuition statement if possible. For those applying for an award, submit a letter of confirmation from an elder or cultural knowledge expert that includes their contact information and a statement describing the type of cultural activities or knowledge building that they will provide for you. Once again, you can take clear pictures of these documents and attach them to your application if you do not have a scanner. In your task list, select Start next to the required documents you need to submit. Select Browse to find electronic copies of the documents saved onto your computer. Once selected, the system will display the document. Make sure it's the right one. Press back at the top right corner to return to the task list and continue your application. Final checklist. Once you are back to your task list, you will see that you only have 2 more steps to complete. Select Continue to fill in your final checklist. This checklist is designed as a final reminder for you to make sure that you have all the required documents attached to your application and that you have completed your application to the best of your abilities. Please check the boxes and sign the page. Press Save and Continue. Once this is saved, you will return to your task list. The final step of your application process is to submit your application. It is very important to do so, otherwise the application will not be sent to the NIB Trust Fund and will not be considered for funding. Note that once you submit your application, you can no longer make changes to it. Once you are sure of your application, you can click Submit. You should receive an email immediately from the NIB Trust Fund confirming that your application has been received. The NIB Trust Fund anticipates a high volume of applicants from across Canada. We will make every effort to complete the review, evaluation, and selection of successful applicants in a timely manner. Your patience is appreciated while we complete this process. Thank you for taking the time to view this how-to video. We hope it clarifies the online application form process. Please feel free to contact the NIB Trust Fund should you have any questions.